This really didn't just improve my trading, but made me a lot of money. This one simple thing can really just start to change everything, not only in your trading, but in your life. It is simply finding discipline. One thing you need to understand is that when it comes to trading, finding discipline is one of the most important factors, because if you don't have it, you're going to blow accounts, you're going to revenge trade, you're going to get greedy, whatever the case may be. This is 10 to 1 something that happens. But you can't find discipline only in trading. You need to find it elsewhere, only from trading. What that started for me was actually simply going to the gym. A good body equals a good mind, right? And if you have a good mind, you can make correct and decisive decisions, especially in a market that can take your money very, very quickly, but also make you a lot of money if you choose the right decisions. Making sure you have a right diet, making sure you're waking up on the right time. These things are important, as well as many other things that has not just made me money in terms of day trading, but as well as in business. Because if you can simply get this down, I can guarantee you that your discipline in trading and your money making decisions will become a lot easier. Discipline is easier said than done, but if you don't start now, you're going to see yourself continue to backtrack. I mean, how many of you guys have made New Year's resolutions but failed it the very next day? That's something to be concerned about and something to actually work on. So start getting your body healthy to get your mind healthy, to start getting your life healthy.